Hi everyone, I'm Daniel Makokha, a cybersecurity analyst and red teamer. If you're eager to enter the exciting world of cybersecurity but don't know where to start, this guide is for you. In just 8 minutes, I'll share actionable tips to help you land your first cybersecurity job. Cybersecurity is broad, ranging from network security to ethical hacking, threat intelligence, and more. Start by researching these areas and identifying what excites you. Remember, passion drives progress. 1. Learn core skills. Study networking, operating systems, and basic programming. Resources like Cisco Networking Academy or FreeCodeCamp are excellent starting points. 2. Earn certifications. Start with beginner-friendly ones like CompTIA Security Plus or CEH. These show employers you're serious and knowledgeable. 3. Get hands-on practice. Use platforms like TryHackMe or Hack the Box to practice real-world scenarios. First, let's talk about your resume. Highlight your skills, certifications, and relevant projects. Make sure your resume tells a compelling story about your expertise and accomplishments. Next, focus on your portfolio. Share your work on GitHub, or write blog posts explaining the challenges you've solved or the tools you've built. This showcases your practical experience and problem-solving abilities. When it comes to job searching, look for entry-level roles like security analyst or SOC analyst. Tailor your resume for each job description to align with what the employer is looking for. Networking is equally important. Join LinkedIn groups or Discord communities where professionals in the field congregate. Attend local meetups or webinars to connect with industry professionals and expand your network. Preparing for interviews is crucial. Learn to answer both technical and behavioral questions confidently. If you don't know something, be honest and explain how you'd go about finding the answer. This shows your problem-solving skills and willingness to learn. Also, research the company thoroughly to show that you understand their needs and how you can contribute to their goals. Breaking into cybersecurity is challenging but achievable. With consistent effort, hands-on practice, and networking, you'll be on your way to success. Start today, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need guidance. Good luck!